This month on Pathways to the Future, we're celebrating CTE Month.
My name is Rihanna Boulder. I'm currently in EMR 2. Taking EMR 2, it has prepared me because I want to be a nurse in the future. So I've done a lot of hands-on stuff as well as textbook, and those combined I feel like is really preparing me for my future, and I'm really grateful for that.
Hello, my name is Vianney, and CTE has prepared me for my future career by allowing me to expand on current skills that I already have, conditioning me into a headspace that allows me to perform my jobs and duties, and allowing me to engage with other students and people that I may work with later on.
CTE has helped me prepare for my future by allowing me to understand business and understand that this is what I want to do in the future as a major in college and as a real career actor.